And one of the closest partners of the network. Who you coughing at?
Oh shit.
Who you coughing at? When I was talking, she started coughing. Bitch, like I'm some type of fucking germ? Bitch, I know you ain't coughing at me, ho. Pussy ass bitch, you can't be coughing at me, disrespectful ass bitch. Homeless ass hoe. Who you coughing at? Who you coughing at?
I wasn't coughing.
I know you ain't coughing at me.
Like, damn, is that serious right now?
I know you ain't coughing at me.
Note to self, never cough when Joseline's talking to you.
You think I'm trying to play with? You can cough at me when I'm telling you something?
I was choking on water.
Okay. Okay.